Hi everyone, it's me again, I'm Rastilan, and thank you so much for joining me in another episode of my advocacy vlog series. If you've been following along since my first vlog, you already know that my advocacy is all about saving money, or as I like to call it, Save Smart Life Better. In my first vlog, we talked about the importance of saving, why I chose this advocacy, and some simple ways to start building your savings even as students. But today I'll be sharing a bit what I've been doing so far, what I've learned, and how social media has been helping me reach more people to promote this cause. Pero bago ang lahat, quick reintroduce lang. I'm Palmer Estelan, a student who believes that small actions can create big changes, especially when it comes to financial habits. As a student, I know how tempting it is to spend on food trips, online shopping, or dinner. Kaya na-realize ko, hindi kailangan maging kuripot para maging wise sa pera. You just need to be mindful and consistent. So, after my first vlog, I started applying everything I shared. I made my own saving challenge jar where I put at least 20 pesos every day, minsan coins, minsan paper bills. And believe it or not, it started to grow faster than I expected. Also encourage my friends and classmates to join me. I created a small online group chat called TV Squad, where we share our weekly saving goals, budget hacks, and challenges. We remind each other to stay consistent para mini support group. Aside from that, I've been using social media to post short and fun videos with saving tips like bring your baon day, and spend challenge, and 50 pesos tipid hacks. Simple things, but they make saving feel achievable and fun.
Bagong biyak na buko, ang sarap nito, Nesfruta buko, why not?
Coconut,
Buko masarap, made with real fruit juice, Nesfruta buko, why not? Coconut, buko masustansya, rich in vitamin C, Nesfruta buko, why not? Coconut, no artificial color, real na real, kitang real, lasang real na buko, Nesfruta buko, real na real ito. Also available in mangosteen.
Through these efforts, I noticed something inspiring. Some of my classmates told me that because of the challenge, they've become more aware of where their money goes. One even said she managed to save enough to buy school materials without asking her parents for extra allowance. That's when I realized, wow, small steps really do make a difference when they start as a simple job that actually helps others. I've learned so many things through this journey. Una, discipline is the foundation of saving. Hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng malaking pera bago mag-ipon. Start small, stay consistent, and be patient. Dalawa, saving is not about depriving yourself. It's choosing wisely. Hindi bumili doesn't stop you from reaching your goals. And lastly, sharing is powerful. When we share our knowledge, others to do the same. It creates a ripple effect, an entire group being connected. In this generation, halos lahat tayo nasa social media, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. That's why I believe that social media can be a powerful tool for positive change. Through simple posts, reels, or blogs like this, we can reach hundreds or even thousands of people instead of just scrolling endlessly. Why not use these platforms to inspire others to make smarter choices with their money? Social media helped me to spread my advocacy beyond my classmates. I've connected with other students who are also saving challenges. Schools, it's amazing how technology can connect people who share my goals and empowerment about using digital tools to create real-world impact. To everyone watching this, I want to remind you that you don't need to earn big to start saving. What matters is the habit build kahit 10 to 20 pesos a day. Saving gives you freedom from stress from unplanned expenses. Saving early, you're not just preparing for the future, you're showing responsibility and self-control. So as we continue this advocacy together, let's make saving a normal part of our lives. Let's encourage our friends, families, and classmates to save and spend wisely. Remember, advocacy's message save a smart life better, because when you learn to handle your money well, you're not just improving your life, you're inspiring others to do the same. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share this vlog with your friends so they can start home saving journey too. Once again, this is Olmar Estela reminding you to start small, dream big, and always save with purpose. See you again in my next vlog, and keep saving. Bye!
Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat bakit ikaw pa ang napili? Ngayon ang puso ko'y suwi, kay simple lang ng aking hiling, na madama mo rin ang pait at bighain. Sana'y magmilagro, pabalik ko, balik ay diretso.
Binilan mo ako ng relo. Pero wala ka naman oras sa akin.
Aray ko,